Okay, we're doing a video revisit here. These are the elevators at the Carl Fisher Building in Greenwich Village, New York City. These are just for show. They don't work anymore since they upgraded the controllers in '01. And here's this one. A little bit of classic leveling there, but these were originally OTIS. They got modernized by KONE in 2001. Here we're back to the first floor. Go up to 12. Now, like last time, 6 to 12 are unlocked now. Previous video, 6 to 12 were locked and I can only go up to 5. Here are 12. Here the brakes loudly. Number 1. Door closes when you push the button. Very gorgeous looking cab. I like the elements of the tray lighting that used to be in here. Now, see that little spot down on the carpet? That's where the OTIS plaque is. Let's see what's locking there. One more trip up to 12. Why not? Okay, that time the door closed when the door closed didn't close when you pushed the button. You're 12. We're just looking up here. You can see sort of up into the machine or up there through those lights, poles, and that 5-emitter switch. Elevators. Okay, here we're back at 5. We're going to set it down to 1. The only floor locked off on these now is the basement, unlike last time. Well, you can kind of see more up there into the machine room there. Here's this one. Same thing as the other one now. Unlike last time, that's carpeted now. Like last time, you can clearly see the OTIS plaque down there. Number 1. We're back at 1. Let's go to 12 now. Same cab as the other one. Like the 2 LED downlights in here. trade door there. There wasn't that much of it, but there was a little trade door there. As I said before, these were originally OTISs from 1926. KONE modernized both of these in 2001. Now Fujitec's maintaining them. They're back at one. One goes out. Oh. Now, for some reason, the certificates say 3,500 pounds, and these are hydraulic, but they're actually gear traction and capacity of 2,500 pounds. Here, back at 5. These do not work, fortunately. Those are just a show for now. They did say they were trying to get these things working at some point, but I don't know what's up with those. But anyway, that's it.